This is Muhammad Zahid with Engineering Training Platform. From this training platform, you will able to learn step-by-step PLC and to get high score in interview and certification. Let's start with lecture number 4. It contains PLC hardware, modular PLC, CPU module, power supply modules, signal modules, communication modules, and special purpose modules. And I already explained in my previous lecture about the PLC history, PLC sequence of operation, IO devices and their components, and the links already shared in below description. And I appreciate and thanks all of my friends for your feedbacks. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the further notification. Let's start from the PLC hardware. The PLC collection of hardware and software. Hardware is the part of a system that you can see, and software is the collection of computer program that can control the hardware does. PLC connected with other hardware devices such as input and output devices, switches, sensors, actuators, motors, and HMI, etc. You can see the sequence of hardware in the picture. Simatic Siemens PLC controllers are available as modular controller, embedded controller, and PC-based controller. You can see in the picture for the modular type of the PLC, Simatic S7300 and Simatic S7400. Simatic S7 modular PLC include a variety of models. For example, S7300 and S7400 PLC have been in service for many years. Now you can see in the picture the another type of the modular PLC, Simatic S7 1200 and Simatic S7 1500. More recently, PLC S7 1200 and 1500 have been introduced. Regardless of the model, Simatic S7 modular PLC are optimized for control tasks and to meet the application requirement by adding modules. And the following are modules: CPU modules, power supply modules, signal modules, communication modules, and special purpose modules. Now we will discuss about CPU modules. PLC CPU modules all contains microprocessor and memory circuits. A CPU may also have an internal power supply, and CPU typically have the following three operating modes: stop mode, startup modes, and run modes. I already shown in the picture for S7 1200 CPU and S7 1500 CPU. And you can see here in the picture for S7 1200 they are giving the indicating for the CPU run stop LEDs, and also on the other side S7 1500 CPU are showing for the run stop LEDs on above on the top, and CPU operating mode they are showing here in the rating on the screen. Here I shown in the picture the power supply modules installed on the mounting rail, including with the power supply and input-output modules. Some CPU modules have an integrated power supply for powering on board circuit, and some PLC models are configured required a separate system power supply. For this purpose, this system power supply convert the incoming power to filters, regulated, and low voltage DC power. The system power is provided to a backplane that is common to multiple modules. Here I shown in the picture the load power supply modules for S7 1500. A load power supply, also known as the load current power supply, provide to input and output devices as well as the related input and output circuit. In some case, the load power supply also provide power to other PLC modules, including a system power supply module. The load power supply modules for a Simatic S7 1500 PLC mount on the same mounting rail as other S7 1500 modules. Now friends, we will discuss about the signal modules. HD signal modules have PLC have a variety of signal modules type, and each modules have multiple I/O channels, and each I/O channels connect to one I/O device. The number of I/O channels on a modules varies with the module type, and some modules have both inputs and output channels. You can see in the picture two type of modules, one for digitals and another for the analog, and this is the combination of the input and output for both analog and digitals. Analog you can see on your right, and for the digital you can see on your left, and it is indicating on the top on your left for the module status LEDs, and for the input channel status LEDs on your right on the top, and below you can see the output channel status LEDs, then how many channels are connecting and we are getting the outputs, and both have the symmetricals for the LEDs status. Signal modules of various types are combined as needed throughout a system, and each module is configured at installation. And this configuration includes the assignment of a module address. This address together with the module type also identifies the location of image table status bit for the connecting inputs and outputs. In the picture I already explained about the digital input signal modules. The number one you can see this is the CPU, and next of the CPU digital input signal modules, and analog output signal modules, and then digital output signal modules, and next the power supply communication modules. By this we have to install on the mounting rail. Let's start to discuss about the communication module. A field bus is an industrial network used for the control distribution. A field bus is Profibus DP, and the leading field bus standard which is developed by Profibus and Profinet International PI. Here in the figure A, I explain the master PLC. They are connecting with the local area network, and all the RTUs are connecting with the same line. And this purple color they are indicating for the Profibus DP. With the growth in information technology, the need for the control system to communicate with the IT system increased. An IT system often communicate via Ether local area network. However, IT system is not suitable for industrial communication, so industrial Ethernet was developed. Profinet is the leading industrial Ethernet standard. Here in the picture I shown the Profinet, the green color are indicating the Profinet DP, where we are using in the industrial Ethernet for the local area network. The workstation, servers, the master PLC are connecting with the same line. The redundancy PLCs, RTUs, they are connecting with the same line. In the below they are indicating the purple color. This purple color is Profibus DP. Here also there is PLCs and RTUs are connecting with one hub where they are coordinating together for Profinet and the Profibus. PLC CPU often has one or more ports for a specific type of communication. You can see in the picture on your right we have the CPU, and the Profinet ports are connecting with this CPU, and the different type of communication modules are connecting with these CPUs, and we can use the different type of communication by Profibus or by others network. When additional network ports are required or when a different type of connection is needed, then communication modules are added to the configuration. for example S7 1200 and S7 1500 CPU, at least one Profinet port. Now we are going to discuss about the special purpose module. These PLC are very fast and have many types of signal modules, but some tasks require special purpose modules. Many of these modules are designed for closed loop control application, which controlling process or machines in response to a feedback signal from a sensor. A control loop may require a special purpose modules because of the type of the sensor, control device or algorithm used. A control algorithm is a set of rules or calculation that define the control process. Here in the picture I explain that controller have the set points, and the controller will send the information to the control device, and through control device the machine or process will be controlled. And after that, if required some information, then machines will send the information to the controller through sensor, because the sensor here we are using the type of the sensor which can get the information from the machine and give feedback to the controller. The controller through PID, they will check the set points. By this way the complete cycle will be complete and it will be flow again as per the requirement. In addition to closed loop control application, PLC use a special purpose module for controlling or generation of high frequency pulses. S7 1500 PLC have technology modules for high speed counting and measurement application. You can see in the picture for modules of S7 1500. This is end of lecture. Please help to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.